This might sound controversial, but controversy and drama is why we buy data for social media. Plus, I needed a light content, a non-issue that has been converted into an issue on social media, like Somalis are not black. Let's dance with it, and I have a confession to make. But first, let me grab a small cup of coffee because I haven't had coffee today. Alright, I did not know I was black until the year 2000 when for the very first time I traveled beyond Africa's borders. Listen, in order for this to be known as an iPhone, we needed a fire-catching Samsung. Otherwise, it will just be known as a phone. And in biology, a man is known as a man because there is a woman. Side note, to the men that gossip like African aunties after going through my content, happy Women's Day to you. But back to the story. I grew up on a continent where all I saw was African people. Your skin tone doesn't give much information because the geographical location is only made of people who look like you. So in our countries, we are identified with our ethnicity, your mother or father's village, or family names and more. The diversity on our continent goes deeper than your skin tone. We also understand that through history, some Africans in the diaspora were stripped away of their identity and were simply classified as black. Meanwhile, other Africans in the diaspora are choosing to identify with everything but black or Africans, but that's a debate for another time. I mean, we understand that the barbaric concept of race is a recent Western invention and contribution to humanity. Now, after its imposition to the people of the world, we embraced it. Positive energy will turn negativity into positivity. So through hard work, sheer talent, sacrifices, and grace, we redefined black as beautiful, pure, and excellent. I think this is where Somali drew the line and refused to conform to what the world came to accept as the norm. Black people, white people, and more. Black and African, I use it interchangeably, but I mainly prefer using the term African instead of black because the political connection to the landmass carries way more power. Afro-Latino, Afro-American, Afro-Caribbean, any person out there above or below the sun with Afro anything can identify as an African and blend in. I guess there is a reason why it's called the motherland. I don't know. En conclusion, yes, Somalis are not black, but they've never said they were not Africans. So let's not Arabize or Maghrebize the Horn of Africa. If it's your first time interacting with my content, I would like to welcome you and let you know that I have a podcast on YouTube full of non-political stories. You can find it in the podcast sections of the channel. I also have a book of Proverbs which you can access through the link below. Moreover, I create fire content that speaks for itself. Please check out my catalog and thank you for your time.
We, ni nini?